Something is wrong with this pump. It is running, but there are no bubbles. Okay, so now it's finally open. You can see it has a very simple mechanism. So this is the pump and this is the induction coil. When this is activated with electricity, it's going to cause this thing to vibrate so fast, and that will cause this pump to activate, right? It's going to pump air. So let's remove this and see what's wrong with this guy. Okay, I got my screwdriver here. Okay, let's remove it. There's a screw holding this pump. Okay, let's take that out. Then let's remove this mechanism, the pumping mechanism. Okay, there's a rubber. Okay, so let's take out this mechanism here. Pull this arm. Okay, so this is the pump mechanism. It's really simple. Okay, so you get two chambers. So there's a fine, thin rubber here. So let me show you. There's a thin rubber here. You see that? So that thin rubber. So when this thing will do the pumping action, it will cause this fine rubber to close when the diaphragm pushes and the air will come out here. And when it pulls, when this pulls, the other side also, there's also a thin rubber there. It will close and air will come through here. So we need to clean this chamber, and let me inspect this diaphragm. So you can see there's a tear. See, so we need to put rubber sealant on this tear here, so it cannot pump anymore because it's torn. So it cannot pump anymore because it's torn. You see, there's a tear right there. Also here, there's a tear. So we're gonna fix it with rubber sealant. So let me get my rubber sealant. Oh wait, let me remove this rubber diaphragm with a screwdriver. Okay, so I'm basically just going to put rubber sealant on this piece of rubber. Okay, so I'll just get the rubber sealant, to put some rubber sealant here to close this torn part. Let me just get that real quick. Okay, so I get the rubber sealant. Looks like this. So I hope this will work. You see this? I hope this is not hardened, so it's soft. Good. So there's a torn part right there. Let me just put some rubber sealant there. Okay. You just use your finger here to push the substance inside. Okay, I'll also put some on this side. So this rubber sealant is really soft, so makes it perfect for this application. Okay, just a little bit, just enough. Okay, there's a rubber sealant in there now. Okay, that should be good. It should be enough. Okay, I'll put the screw back. Which one is that? I think this is the one. I think this is the screw. Okay, put it back there. Okay, there, it's back. All right, get the rubber sealant. It should dry in about 5 minutes. Okay, so now let's assemble this thing back. Okay, let's assemble this. Okay, this one goes in here. Let's put this first. The magnetic arm. Put that on the side. Okay, I need to use a screwdriver on this side. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's tight, okay. Okay, I guess it's tight now. Is it? Yeah, it should be. Okay, so this one goes in here. Yeah, first we need to clean this this chamber. We need to clean it. So I'm gonna get some needles to clean it. Okay, let me get my needle. Okay, so let's clean this chamber using a needle. Just one push. Push the other side. It's not actually a needle, it's just a sharp screwdriver, really thin one. We can clear it with some obstruction using the mouth. Yeah, okay, let's do that. It's good. Okay, now let's put it back. I think it goes to this side. Yeah, this side. Okay, that one goes in there. Okay, and this rubber goes in here. Is it like that or? It's like this. Okay, it goes in there. Then you put it back. We slide it in here, back to this position. Okay, let's put the arm back to the rubber cushion. Okay, I think this is the screw here. Okay, let's make sure it's on the right position. Is it? No, actually, make sure it's in the right position. We need to apply tape here so it won't move. Okay, let me get my tape. Okay, so now I got my tape, and make sure it's in the right position. I need to put tape because you see the markings. It should go to that position. This rubber markings, it should be like that, so it's perfect fit. Okay, should be perfect fit. Now I'm gonna take just a little bit of tape. Okay, place the tape in there and tape it there on the side. Okay, another one for this side here. Okay, tape it like that. So when I slide it back to its position, the rubber cap should be on the right position. Okay, should have gotten a Scotch tape for this. Scotch tape works better. Okay, so I get that. Let's slide it back. Okay, it's back. Okay, let's put the screwdriver and the screw back. This is the one. Okay. Okay, I think it's in the right position. Make sure it's tight. Okay, I think it is tight already. I see. Okay, it's back. So there was a black here, like holder here. It should slide back to position. Okay, there it is. So need to push on more. So when the induction is activated, it should push like that. Now let's wait for the rubber sealant to dry. Let's make sure it's back to its original position. Okay, I think it is now. So no obstruction when this moves. Alright, so since there are no screws now left, so I don't know, maybe we'll just use adhesive tape to put this back. Alright, so the screws can't go back in there because it's all rusted, so I'll just use tape. Wrap around. Let me get my tape. So I got my tape. Since the screws can't come back here, it's all rusted, just use a tape to wrap it with. Just like that. Okay. Get the tape. Let's cut this here. Alright. Supply some more tape here to this side. Okay, wait, let's close this before it hardens. Let's close the sealant. Okay, so let's see if this will work now. First, let's make an opening here. Yeah, this part should be open. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in, see if air comes out of this nozzle right here. So I plug it in. Okay, I think there's air coming out of this nozzle. It's working now. Oh wait, okay, let's give it good 15 minutes for the silicone sealant to harden. Okay. Works now. It works now. Right there, works now. See that bubbles? Good job.